Okay, you all, do you think you've seen it all? Think again because billionaire Zenco, aka Mr. Cletus, is not here to play when it comes to honoring his late mom, Mrs. Margaret. The billionaires from Anambra State is just sprinkling serious billionaire vibes all over Oko, Nnewi South local government area, Anambra State. And trust me, this 1 week burial is set to shut it all down completely. Let me give you the gist. So Zenco is a name you probably know from his ventures in telecommunications, real estate, and baby care products, as well to spare no expense in giving his beloved mom a burial that will be remembered for ages. The last time we see and experience this kind of thing was at Oba in Anambra State during Obi Kubana's mom burial. And now we are experiencing and seeing all of the gist online at Uko in Nnewi South local government area. Rumor has it that the budget for this particular burial is tripping over a jaw-dropping 5 billion naira. And no, that's not a typo. We are talking billions, my people. The burial tent alone is a whole news on its own. Imported directly from Israel, all the way from Israel, this luxurious setup is allegedly worth over 560 million naira. Now, some social media sources are saying it's 350 million naira, but Zenco's camp insists the value is way higher. And get this, the installation started way back on December 15th, 2024, and as of January 8th, which was days ago, they were still working on it. Can you imagine the scale of this thing? Of course, no billionaire burial is complete without a touch of Nigeria's top-tier funeral brand, APAMS. These guys are bringing their A game with a silver casket that screams royalty, a newly imported white Rolls-Royce carriage just for the burial, and an array of posh hearses to complete the vibe. And guess what? Just these services alone are estimated to cost over 500 million naira. This is what APAM's charge is, a whopping 500 million naira. Now let's talk about the real MVP of big Nigerian events, Kubana Chief Priest. Remember how he gifted 46 cows to Obi Kubana during his mom's burial in Oba, right? Well, this time around, he's upped the game and gifted Zenco 47 cows. Yes, you heard that, 47 massive cows for the burial. In his words, he said 47 cows signify the number of age he has spent with his mom on earth before she passed. So technically, Zenco is currently 47 years old. This man right here, Kubana Chief Priest, is proving to be not just a good business partner, but also a solid brother to Zenco. Kubana Chief Priest is the definition of money na water, and is making sure everyone feels his presence at this event. As if that's not enough, A-list celebrities like Davido, Flavor, Mr. Macaroni, Obi Kubana, Fino, so many that I can't even list on here. Now, here are my 2 cents. This burial isn't just about extravagance, right? It's about love. I mean, the Igbo love, respect, and honoring a mother who must have meant the world to Zenco. Sure, the numbers are staggering and the luxury is over the top, but if you've got it, why not flaunt it? Let's be honest, we all love to see some Owambe action in Igbo land, and this is shaping up to one for the books. Now over to you, my amazing Ebony People TV family. What's your take on Zenco's grand gesture? Do you think it's too much, or is it just the perfect way to celebrate a life well lived? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to always like. See you in the next video.